everyone, and welcome to the jingly jangly jungle. It's very quiet today, isn't it? I wonder where Rara is. Ah, there you are, Rara.
Shh! I'm looking for my friends. We're playing hide and seek.
Oh, I see. That sounds like fun, Rara.
It is. I'm going to find them all. Found you, Hufty! I heard your toot and saw your trunk.
Oh, my trunk spoilt my hiding place.
Come on, let's find the others. Ha-ha! Found you, Topsy! Well done, Rara. Found you, Zebby!
Apple.
Found you, Ooh-oo! Ooh-oo! Hooray!
Oh?
Found you, Crocky! I found you last, so you're the winner! Yay! Well done, Crocky!
Wow! You're all really good at hiding.
Now it's your turn to find us, Crocky. Count to 10, then come and find us. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You won't find me.
5,
I'm going to be the
6,
best at hiding.
7, 8, 9, 10. Coming to find you. Ready or not? Achoo! Found you, Hufty.
Oh, I'm not playing anymore.
Why, Hufty?
Well, every time I find a really good hiding place, my trunk gives me away.
But I love Hufty's trunk. It's so useful. Yes, it can squirt water and sniff things. And it's great for noisy rooter-tooting. I think Hufty's forgotten how good his trunk is. Let's remind him then. Come on! Hello, Hufty.
Oh, hello, Rara. Hello, Crocky.
Oh, yes. I'm really hot. Me too. Woo! I wish we could cool down with that bucket of water, but it's not big enough for us both to stand in. If only someone could squirt the water at us.
Would you like me to squirt you?
Oh, yes, please. At the hottest time of day, Hufty's trunk can spray, spray, spray. Thank you, Hufty. Your trunk is so good at squirting water.
Yes, it is. Isn't it?
Oh, hello, everyone. I've got some mangoes. But I can't tell if they are ripe enough to eat. I'm not sure. Crocky? I can't smell if they are ripe either.
Would you like me to sniff and see?
Oh, yes, please, Huffy.
This mango is ripe and ready to eat.
If something has a whiff, Huffy's trunk can sniff, sniff, sniff. Thank you, Huffy. Your trunk is so good at sniffing.
Yes, a trunk is good for sniffing.
I wish we could all eat my mangoes, but I don't know where Topsy and Oo are. It's a shame we can't call them with a big noisy noise. What, like a toot toot? On a tooting trunk?
Like my trunk?
Yes, just like your trunk.
Okay. Toot toot! Mangoes for everyone!
I love mango. Me too. Thanks for calling, Huffy. For calling friends about ripe fruit, Huffy's trunk can toot toot toot. Yay! Thank you, Huffy. Trunks are great for tooting.
Yes, trunks are great for tooting. Toot! Toot toot toot, toot toot toot, toot 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 toot.
Yay! Wow! You can play music too. Your trunk is brilliant. What else can your trunk do, Huffy?
I'll show you. Let's play another game of hide and seek.
Really?
Yes, and this time I'll be the seeker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They may be good at hiding, but with my trunk, I'm even better at seeking.
Trunks are great for seeking too. You can hide, not make a squeak, but Huffy's trunk can seek, seek, seek.
Yes, my trunk is pretty amazing after all.
I want a trunk like Huffy's. Me too!
What are you doing with those, Rara?
It's my trunk. Now we can all have a trunk like Huffy's.
Spray and toot and sniff and seek. A tooting trunk is hard to beat.
Spray and toot and sniff and seek. A tooting trunk is hard to beat. Toot!
It seems like there's only one thing better than Huffy's trunk, and that's lots of trunks.
Toot!